Bay Windows Lafayette offers a unique opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Lafayette Bay window experts provide top-notch services, ensuring that your custom bay windows are installed with precision and care. Whether you're looking for residential bay windows or commercial bay windows, our team of bay window contractors in Lafayette is ready to assist you. Custom Bay Windows Lafayette are designed to meet your specific needs and preferences. With a variety of bay window styles and bay window materials available, you can choose the perfect bay window dimensions to complement your space. Our Lafayette custom bay windows are crafted to provide both beauty and energy efficiency, making them a smart investment for any property. Energy-efficient bay windows. Lafayette are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These bay window solutions not only help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, but also contribute to lower utility bills. By opting for energy-efficient bay windows, Lafayette, you can enjoy the benefits of a more sustainable and cost-effective home. Bay Window Replacement Lafayette is a seamless process with our experienced team. We offer affordable bay windows Lafayette that do not compromise on quality. Our Bay Window Replacement Lafayette services ensure that your new windows are installed quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruption to your daily routine. Affordable bay windows. Lafayette are within reach with our competitive pricing and flexible options. We understand the importance of balancing quality and cost, which is why we offer a range of bay window options Lafayette to suit any budget. Our bay window cost Lafayette is transparent, with no hidden fees or surprises. Bay Window Replacement Lafayette services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our skilled technicians are equipped to handle any bay window replacement, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. Regular bay window maintenance. Lafayette can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows. Bay window design. Lafayette is all about creating a space that reflects your personal style. Our bay window specialists, Lafayette, work closely with you to develop a design that enhances your home's architecture and interior decor. From traditional to contemporary bay windows Lafayette trends, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Bay window enhancements. Lafayette can transform your space into a stunning focal point. With a variety of bay window features Lafayette to choose from, you can customize your windows to include seating, storage, or decorative elements. Our bay window customization Lafayette services allow you to create a truly unique and functional space. Bay window upgrades. Lafayette are an excellent way to add value to your property. Whether you're looking to improve curb appeal or increase natural light, our bay window upgrades offer a range of benefits. Our team of bay window experts Lafayette is dedicated to providing solutions that meet your needs and exceed your expectations.